work 7 days, di ba? Work from home. Yun yung mahirap sagutin na inquiries na I got na ano po ba yung pinaka-best na kuhain ko? Kasi wala. Lahat sila best, especially if they're gonna be your first, then they will give you that first everything, first experience, everything of the world, diba? Ang pangit naman na what's the best, ito yung pinakamahal. That's the best, believe mo. Diba? Kaloka. So it's not, there's no such thing as the best thing, this is the best, that's not the best. They're all good. It depends on ano yung trip mong iuwi. Anong color, anong pattern. And you cannot, it's difficult to ask us. Kasi we're gonna be biased. Ang bibigay ko talaga sa'yo, mahal. Diba? So, let's be honest. Kasi, iba na yung panibibreed ka na. When you say what's the best, in the breeder's mindset, when you're into the breeding na, and you're doing projects na, when you say what's the best, you'll go for your project. Piesa. Like for me, I'm working on clowns, I'm working on albinos, I'm working on pieds, I'm working on DGs, I'm working on freeways, I'm working on bells, I'm working on hypos, clown DGs, clown hypo, hypo DG, Ashantic. We're working on Ashantics as well. Pag tinanong mo ako, what's the best ball python for me? Ang isasagot ko sa'yo would be the pyesa na ginagawa ko. Kasi that's where I am, right? That's the breeder's eye na kumbaga. Iba na yung trip namin sa life. So, they may not look expressively beautiful, but they are pyesa. Kahit normal yan, triple het yan, right? Like Hecate, I got Hecate, Nyx, and Amethyst, the 3 girls, they're triple het, diba? And then I have 1 male that's visual and double het for that same project. And that's beautiful for me, diba? Pero, yon is on the breeder's side. So, when you say, ano po ba yung best na ball python, you have to be clear. Are you talking about personality? Because personality, pare-parehas yan. They all have different personality. It all depends on how you handle them and how you feed them and how experience you gave them. Walang traumatic experience para maging defensive sila. You know, no matter how they bite you, how they strike on you, you don't leave them with a traumatic experience. So end up being a good puppy boy just like Rhaegar. Diba? Now, when you're asking about the morph, well, technically, what's the best morph? Depende, iba-ibang breeder, iba-iba ang best morph for us. Kasi nga, iba-iba tayo ng trip sa life, diba? Now, when you say price, now, you have to be clear what's the best price, diba? Kasi nga, when it comes to price, the normal, this one, just like my baby boy, is the best in terms of price because they're the cheapest. Doesn't mean to say they have less value. To be honest, normals do have value. For example, Liska, who has joined the swimming team, when you say swimming, the females kasi nagsusok. Nagsiswimming sila when they're building their follicles, when they want to be gravid. And I thought, Liska, she's a normal, possible het desert ghost. And I thought she will not breed. She's 5 years old normal. She was a gift for me by one of my brother, Job Daguman, a Reptiles Paradise by Job Daguman. Yan. So, he's been with Job. She's been with Job for 5 years already. Diba? And she never bred, she never built. And so, Job gave it to me since I have the DG. But then, I remember I have Sylvester, which is, you know, a very crazy combination. He's a fire, orange dream, chocolate, possible mandarin. And hindi lang ma-ID yung mandarin because the fire and the OD, you know, just brighten up the entire snake. And hindi mo makita yung mandarin. They might have overpowered the mandarin. And the normals is the key, right? You cannot have the shed test because unfortunately RGI does not have a mandarin gene for the shed test. I asked Matt Miller for that if they have the shed test. Wala talaga. And I checked the website and they really not they don't offer mandarin gene. So, anong gagawin natin? The old-fashioned way is you breed them with a normal. Diba? Why? Because normal, wala siyang ibang ipapasa. Kung hindi, normal at normal. So, mangyayari, pasa niya, kunyari siya si Liska. Normal. Ang papasa lang niya is normal, yung tatay papasa OD. Since it's a codominant gene, normal and OD ang lalabas. Pasa siya ng normal, ang pinasa ng tatay is the fire. Normal fire ang itsura. Pagpasa siya ng normal, ang pinasa niya chocolate, which is another codominant. So, normal chocolate makes a chocolate snake because it's not a recessive. And then, pasa siya ng normal, nagpasa ngayon ng mandarin. And then, another codom plus a normal gene in mandarin, and then it will create the mandi. Right? Mapapalabas mo ngayon yung hidden gene. And so, hindi mo masasabing walang value ang normal. At the end of the day, if there's anything na gusto mong himay-himayin at palabasin, the normals are your best friend. Diba? Because there's nothing that they can give but a normal gene. Right? And so, that's why this little boy is really my baby boy. Rhaegar. I love this boy so much, diba? So, I hope that answers the question now, and I hope I made you understand why I can't answer that question. Ano po yung magandang ball python to get? Lahat sila maganda. It depends on ano ang maganda sa mata mo. Kasi nga, iba-ibang type ng tao, iba-ibang bet. Other people love the white snakes. Other people love the black snakes. Other people love the yellow snakes, right? Other people love patterned snakes. Other people like it clean, all white, all black, right? So, depende yan. So, kung anong trip mo, yun ang trip mo. Yun ang maganda sa'yo. Doesn't mean maganda sa akin. Doesn't mean na maganda sa akin is maganda sa'yo. Diba? So, iba-iba tayo ng trip. So, isa yan sa mahirap na sagutin na question. Diba? Ano yung maganda na ball python? Lahat sila maganda. Depende kung kaninong mata yung tumitingin. You say goodbye, Rhaegar. You say goodbye. We'll see you all. Bye-bye. You say goodbye. Say goodbye, baby. Bye-bye.